Hi guys, I haven't been here in forever. I know it's because of my eye, and you know what? This is the first day I put a little bit of eye makeup on it because I hate coming up with a patch or with my eye all fucked up. But I'm sorry, I missed you guys so much. Shout out to Elizabeth and Lulis. And so I didn't want to wear the eyelashes because that in order to do that, I have to put the glue, and I didn't want it to go inside my eye. And then right now, the girls came home and they're like, "Why'd you put eye? You're gonna fuck up your eye more." But as you can see, it's almost the size of the normal one. It's still a little red right here. I'm still blind from it. I cannot see through it. Let me see. Let me show you. Hey, puto. You know what it looks like to me, but it's not, and don't get scared. When people get their eyes really yellow and it's from hepatitis, which I don't have because this one's normal and this one's not. Pero pobrecitos, you know. But I'm actually, I don't know if hepatitis is curable. If it is, well, I'd rather have hepatitis than be blind from this eye, you know what I mean? We're having a piece of church's chicken, mashed potatoes, corn, and Little Caesars pizza. She got it yesterday. Sorry guys, I was hungry. Julia bought it for us yesterday, but I can't believe it. She got a whole pizza of pepperoni and jalapeños. And I really can't believe she bought that. She never buys that. She likes chili though. So do I, but. Can I ask a favor, mommy? Close the door a little bit. The light's hurting my eye. That sunlight. Ándale, así, púchale. Oh, más poquito. Ahí está. Thank you. And the light was hurting my eyes. I'm trying to. It's because if I move it, I don't want my phone. Ya ves que a veces haces better. Okay, and then we have the last bit of Dr. Pepper. This is regular Dr. Pepper. It's the girls, but they had a little bit on the bottle there, and I stole it. And then I told Julia, I stole your Dr. Pepper. She goes, she kind of makes a face like, yeah, stupid. I wanted to drink it myself. Anyways, and I haven't worn wigs and nothing, just been wearing those little eye patches. And then Julia bought me some band-aids, and I don't think I'd go out like this though, because this eye looks real small, so you can definitely see that there's a problem there, and I don't want people to say like, the fuck is wrong with her fucking eye? Ay, wait. En serio que when I look at this eye, it looks like it's freaking dead, man. Me algo conmigo, mami. Ooh, you put something in the freezer, in the thing, huh? Put that hot chicken patty in there, mama. And then she bought a Gatorade. She said I could have it. It's big, it's blue. It's big, it's blue. Let me turn on this light, guys. I'll just face it over there so it won't be so, you know, in your face, Ace. Out of my face, out of my face, out of my pretty face. Birdie. No, not really. I'm just kidding. I really did miss mukbang. I was gonna mukbang yesterday when they bought the chicken and the pizza, pero I'm gonna tell you, because you know I tell you everything. I'm tell you the truth what happened. So I put on my bra and I sponge bathe myself because I can't get water here. I can't get water on my foot. So I had to sponge bath. Me bañé muy bien con mi cara. It's like, I don't know if y'all use a washcloth. What me and Jessie use, and the girls too, You know those gloves, you can buy them at the Dollar Tree. And they're like a little bit rough. Rough, rough, rough. And then you soap it up or soap up your body. And then and those tallar real good. They tallar real good and they get all the mugre off real nice. So what I do is, since I can't get in there, I have a shower chair. I'm sorry, because it's this one don't see and this one sees a little. So I'm getting my pills, guys. Oye, mami, no le echaste la vitamin whatever, ¿verdad? La otra jelly one. Mamá. ¿Chua? No me echaste la otra vitamin whatever, la jelly one. La pastilla. It's okay. Well, give me to me if you want. Oh, put it right here. Sácame una así, por favor. This is every day. Okay, I'm supposed to drink vitamin E every day for what though? For what reason, Mama? They stuck up in it.
I'm not sure. I think fatty liver.
The fatty liver?
I think so.
It's a little gel one, look.
You're supposed to stick to.
Oh, yeah. I think I remember. I can't say names, but... I have a friend that has a niece that is beautiful. Beautiful. Her teeth are a little jacked up, but not that bad. But every time I see this girl, well, she's already 20-something, I would tell her, damn, fulana, you should get into modeling, because she was tall and thin and lanky, you know? Very beautiful in the face. And this girl knows how to do her hair, her makeup, color her hair different colors, would dress. I don't know. When I saw her at parties and shit, I'd be like, oh, damn, I'm going to let my daughter dress like that. Hooker heels, booty shorts for a party, for a house party, okay? With her family. I don't approve of that myself. Okay. Got a jalapeno. But you couldn't help but go up to her and tell her she's so fucking beautiful, because she really was. Ellie dropped the remote. So, she didn't have like an ass. I don't know where she heard. And if you open up the vitamin E capsules, get the little oil and rub them on your nalgas, and then your nalgas will grow. So when I tell you, that girl must have gone through about 4 or 5 doors. Her ass was always the same. But you know, I ain't gonna lie, she's fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful. And she never got an ass. I just only got one. That I know if my friend sees me, she'll know who I'm talking about. But I'm not saying her name. But beautiful girl. Way too beautiful. She had the hair, she had the face, she had the skinny body, little waist, flat tummy, thin legs, but not like bony thin, no. And the little ass, but it didn't look ugly. It wasn't like that. Like culo chato. Sorry guys, it's because I've been saying that about myself lately, because you know, ever since December when my foot thing happened to me, under doctor's orders, I have to be only in bed with my foot up, only in bed with my foot up. You think that didn't give me a culo chato? Like, I don't see my ass as sexy as it was before. Before, if I would wear something and look in the mirror sideways, you could see a little. My lovely lady lumps, you know. Así ven, suave. Y ahora lo veo todo así como que. No, not really. You should have seen me when I was really big, when I was really gordita. My Julia, she's chubby too. She weighs about what I used to weigh, but she has a very beautiful face. So when she does her makeup, she looks like a little doll. That's why I call her baby doll or muñequita. She knows how to fix herself real nice and match her clothes and do her makeup and everything. But she's like round, like a little apple, right? Me, I was like a pear. Just imagine a pear. Este, if you're new here to my channel, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 53. I'm already old. Ya estoy toda chicharrón. I love wearing wigs, but look up under there, it's pure canas. Huh? But I love wearing my wigs because I swear to God, a few people have told me that when I wear these wigs, these darker ones, that I look like Jenny Rivera, and she was one of my idols. And I love her to death. And I have a big poster of her here in my living room, and I love her music. And to me, a thick ass body like Jenny Rivera had is a beautiful body. I wouldn't want to be skinny. In fact, when I lost my weight, and you know, I had to have an arm lift, thigh lift, and then all my stomach was removed because when I lost my weight and I swore to Jesus Christ, que mi Dios me está viendo, I lost it on my own. Why? Because when I was pregnant of my little boy Jesse, which he's now 10. Ooh, shout out to Jesse. Ooh, el chubby cubby. So me and my kids were chubby. All of us estamos gorditos. Around my 5th month in pregnancy, a friend of mine, shout out to Rachel, she would tell me, what are you gonna do after? And I was like, I couldn't understand what she was trying to say. Yeah, you're gonna need help. How are you gonna do it with the baby? And in my head I was like, what the fuck do you mean, girl? But this is what happened. When I was like in my 6th month of pregnancy, I think, one day, and if you're a woman and you've had babies, you will know that sometimes you swallow up 10, 20 pounds of just water, or you wake up all swollen, right? When you to the next, and I woke up swollen like that, from my feet, my legs, everything. 20 pounds. Okay, huh. Instead of chewing on this side, this is the one that I'm missing a muela up there. Okay. Guys, I love corn. I think that's my favorite vegetable, corn. See, winking at you guys. ¿Dónde estás, mamita? Oh, just making her lunch. Today's Wednesday church. Yay! I love church. Especially on Wednesdays because it's prayer night. Being a Christian, it's a Christian church, Pentecostal. It feels really nice to go on a prayer night, go kneel down, And just let it all out. Let all your worries out, all your fears, all your everything that you want to let out. By the time you finish praying and you finish crying and everything, and it's oh, you feel so good. Feel the presence of the Lord and the Espíritu Santo. I mean, no, hombre, you come back home like, oh yes, you know, I left everything there. You feel the weight off your shoulders. Well, that's how I feel. I'm Christian and I love being a Christian, and I'm not a perfect Christian, so nobody, you better not say nothing. Okay, yeah, I'll see you 3 o'clock. I gotta work on my mouth. I got a foul mouth. I have a very foul mouth. Okay, let's move on to something else because the corn's gonna take me forever. So then let me tell you, I swole up, and when I tried walking, I didn't even know. My back started burning really, really, really bad. I didn't know that those 20 pounds more on myself was too much for my little frame to handle because I'm only 5'1". And that weight and being pregnant made my back fuck up my discs. So I fucked up I have 5 herniated discs, which is super painful. People complain of 1 disc. I have 5 discs that are fucked up. Damn, that was so good. So, I don't know. If you know about that, then you know, then you can imagine. That's why I'm always moving around like this, guys. One time my niece told me, "Ay, tia, it looks really bad because you're always farting." And I said, "Farting? I didn't know that a lot of you thought I was farting all this time whenever I move around. No, my fucking back, man." And then this tragedy after tragedy has been happening to me. So I have that. Look up if you want to on Google it. Heel, like up from your foot, your heel ulcer. Well, that's what happened to me. Why? Because I have diabetes. I got something new about a year ago, maybe called neuropathy in my foot. Sí, hace un año. Hace un año que me dio la neuropathy o más. Otro más. So she says almost 2 years. My daughter. My daughter is my Julia. She's my baby doll. She's also my provider. She set up my plate. She heated it up for me while I was putting on my makeup and my wig. And yes, I wear wigs because I only have 3 hairs, okay? Nomás tengo 3 pelos. No, it's because my hair is short and it's real thin and it hardly doesn't grow. But I've been using something, just boil the fuck out of a puño of cloves, clavo de olor, hiérvelo. When it cools down, put it in a spritz bottle. Every time you shower, when you get out, pss, 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 pss. What is it?
A chicken sandwich.
You didn't like it?
No, yeah, it's good, but I'm full.
How did you get full with the one
Because I
bite?
had a pizza.
Oh, you had pizza. Don't touch my phone.
I'm not.
Pásame el plato, es que ya ves que no le atino.
Hay
No
dos
veo.
más pollos adentro para el niño y para Samantha o para quien sea.
This is not spicy.
Yeah, it's not. It's this.
This is grilled chicken.
Mm.
Oh.
It's the sriracha and a little bit of ranch.
Oh, that's better than my chicken. She eats very different than we do. Like I said, she's chubby. She's big because she has a really bad thyroid problem, but really beautiful in the face. And oh my gosh, she has a heart of gold just like her mother. That is one thing that I am conceited about. There's nobody, I've never to this day made anybody as big-hearted as I am. Kind-hearted.
Oh, is that Dolly Parton?
And Sam is like, oh, it's the Dolly Parton one. What's the other baby? She put Designing Woman for me. It feels awful, guys. It feels like if you're walking around like this. I bid you adieu, motherfucker. Sorry. I'm trying to explain to my newbies. The newbies. Y'all are my babies. Nah, that's another intro that another lady that I follow says. Her name is Christina Randall. She does like what do you call it? Cold case files. Just really good. She follows up on stories and I know, se avienta esa. She's fucking good if you want to follow her on YouTube as well, not just Facebook. Christina Randall. Oh. I could have used like a big bunch of shredded lettuce, huh, Mama? Just gonna go to Walmart today tomorrow. Let's have to buy me some shredded lettuce. Or shredded cabbage. Okay. Sorry guys, just because I'm a little... Ven diciendo que tú y yo estamos locos, Lucas. I'm a little Looney Tunes. I don't mean to be, I've always been like that. I jump from subject to subject to subject and I don't mean to. Let me get back to. She finally did my nails, guys. But guess what? She did them. And then like an hour later, one nail fell down. I know. My nails fell down. I don't know what Julia's missing. Julia's the one that she does them for me. She's not professional. She learned off of YouTube, but I don't know. They keep falling off. You know how they say that Powerade and Gatorade quench your thirst? Well, they don't. Not on me, anyways. I'm still fucking thirsty. That drink just made me more thirstier, but I want water with ice. I can feel me ojo, girl. Okay. So then my friend Rachel kept telling me, you're gonna need help, and then she come over to help me one day. Well, then I'm gonna be able to drive to my pregnant appointments, right? So it took me. And then we were talking to this one doctor. And so you're gonna need help because if you have 5 herniated discs, you're not gonna be able to walk again. You might stay in a wheelchair the rest of your life. And I was like, what? I couldn't believe it. I said, what? No, está cabrón. And I started telling my Rachel. My Rachel hadn't worked since she was newlywed. She had already been married almost 20 years. Like 15 years. And I told Rachel. She's my spiritual mother, by the way. She's the one that introduced me to the Lord and the one that kept pestering until I went to church. No, she is my spiritual mother. She's the one I can call at any time and ask for prayer. Oh, Rachel, this and that. ¿Qué tiene, señora? And esto pasó. No, cálmese. Vamos a orar. Let's pray. We're just good people. Anyways, she became my provider for 7 years. And then when the pandemic started and all that, Sam became my provider. And then where they sent somebody over from my insurance to check on me, I always was worse and worse. So they finally gave me Monday through Sunday help. Come and help me for a few hours. And what way? There's a lot of things I can't do because of my back. I can't work anymore because I can't stand for long. I can't sit for long. I can't lay down for long. Oh, no, no. It's just a bitch to have this, you know. You learn to put up with the pain because there's nothing else you can do. I don't take Tylenol. I don't take ibuprofen. I don't take nothing for the pain. They just say, fuck it. So I'm used to the pain. So at this moment, I have the pain from my back, 5 herniated discs, and then I had the heel ulcer, so I couldn't walk. I had to walk tippy toes, and I've had that since December. So I walk like this, and they finally got me a little shoe. You know those little sandals at the hospital that they gave you, the little black sandal, like a Jesus. I call it Jesus sandal. So I walk around on that. Mm. And then I got this eye thing now. Oh my God. Wait. Está cabrón, guys. Only because I'm a child of the Lord and I love my God and I know because I've read it in the Bible and stuff that I need to take the thing out of my head that keeps saying, yeah, right. Somebody's fucking doing witchcraft on you. It's very hard for me to 100% trust in the Lord, which you're supposed to. I should be trusting in the Lord. It's very hard because I have a lot of people around me that love to do witchcraft and they're very into that. And it's scary because just like there's good people, there's bad people. And we grew up knowing that an aunt of mine did some really bad work, black magic on my family. To the point of burying our pictures in a backyard and doing all that bullshit that they do. The blood of Christ protect me. Um, I feel sorry for people like that because they don't know who they're dealing with, how strong God is, um, what God can do to them. It's gonna all come back to them. Sooner or later. Everything you do comes back to you, good or bad. Karma. Me, all the shit that's happening to me is because of shit that I did in the past. I wasn't a little angel. I wasn't a little white butterfly palomita, a little perita dulce. No, no, no. I was cabrona. I'm not anymore. I spent like 4 years, 3 or 4 years straight, being a Christian, going to church on Sundays, coming out of church around 2 o'clock, and then start to get ready at 6 o'clock to go to the bar. That was wrong. Very wrong of me. I started asking God to change me because I wasn't doing no harm. I was drinking, but, well, yeah, I was doing harm. I had like three fights at the bar. Real fights, okay? No, not no little bullshit. Real fights. And I won, of course. Como dice Erica Bird Martinez. Of course, my little horse. I loved that style. I loved going to a bar, having fun, drinking. Dancing was my favorite thing in the world. But guys, to my newbies, I haven't gone out to a bar or nothing like that in over 2 years. A little bit over 2 years. So I'm very proud of myself. Ellie, come here. So I'm very proud of myself. Because who's to stop me? You know what I mean? I'm a fucking adult. You know, I have a car, I have money. If I want to, I'll just go and get dolled up and go. You know who's gonna see me? God's gonna see me. I don't want him to see me and say, "Why, you little bitch." No, no te creas. No, he don't talk to you like that. Only to me. But anyways, so here I am. I'm 53 years old. I have 3 kids, 27, 20, and 10. Not a grandma yet. I'm waiting. Huh? All my friends from high school are already great grandmas. And I haven't even been a grandma yet. I have a dog named Allie, though. She's my emotional support companion. Emotional support. She's a little pug. I torture her, but she's eating a piece of chicken that I dropped on the floor. I guess, and then for all you newbies, you know how I said I have 3 hairs. I love to wear wigs, but that's the real me. That's the real me. I have pelos con huevos. Pelos con huevos, guys. Pelos con huevos. Ay, it feels so nasty when you have those hairs on your cola. No, not really. Pelos con huevos. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go because it's already. Dun, 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 dun. Ding, da, da, dun, dun. Ding, da, da, dun, dun. Bye, guys. Love you. Take care.